Namaskar everyone, this is Disha ma'am and yes, we are going to learn English. First of all, a very warm welcome. Why I am mentioning warm is because बहुत ठंडी है, it is freezing cold, right? I don't know whether you guys know it or not, but Mount Abu last week had reached -8 degree temperature. So since last week, you guys might be observing that we are having actually more than the required cold. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी है, right? So take care of yourselves, wear proper sweaters, caps, mufflers, everything. And वैसे भी हम बिना काम के तो I don't think so we are going out, we are at home, right? So be at your home and be safe, right? चलिए, now coming to the topic today, what are we going to do today? You have always seen this cartoon of Honey Bunny, I guess, right? उसमें मुझे हमेशा वो पॉइंट लगता है, every time when Honey is addressing Bunny या Bunny तोते को बुलाता है, they all use their names, right? So that names are known as nouns that we already know. Now if they are talking about somebody else, suppose अगर किटी के बारे में बात कर रहे हो या खन्ना साहब के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, then they use nouns and pronouns both. Then what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that we use instead of noun, right? जैसे हर बार, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक पूरे पैराग्राफ में there are 5 times tree is written. Now every time it is not possible for me to speak tree again and again and again. It hammers into the ears. So pronouns are made which are used instead of nouns. हर बार वही नाम को repeat ना करना पड़े, right? This we have already been studying pronouns from your early childhood, say first, second standard, that we use he if it is a boy, we use she if the subject is the girl, we use it for both non-living things and animals, and then there are plural pronouns that are I, we, you, they, right? This already is been taught to you quite a year or two before, and you already know. कोई भी लड़का हो, if boy, so we speak he. If there is a girl, we speak she. If there is an animal or a non-living thing, we speak it, right? Then बहुत सारे हैं plural, then we, they, us, and non-living things के लिए we use that I've already told you it, right? चलिए, so today in this video or in this class we will be learning one step ahead of pronouns which can be termed as reflexive pronouns. Now what are reflexive pronouns? पहले तो मुझे ये बताए what do you mean by the word reflexive? जो reflex करता है. So reflexing pronouns are the pronouns which are telling about that particular person's priorities, right? Chaliye, no issues. We'll be starting this chapter. I'll be explaining to you. And reflexive pronoun तो वैसे कल मतलब क्लास में पढ़ाने वाली हूँ, but आज आपके लिए ये जानना ज़रूरी था that what are nouns or what are pronouns and what are reflexive pronouns, right? चलिए, now get ready with the book. Let us open the book. And here I have chapter number 11, that is pronoun. We'll write the date. Today is 5/1/21, 5th of January, right? Chale. Jessica's father asked Jessica to bring Jessica's father a pen. Jessica took a pen and gave the pen to Jessica's father, right? In this paragraph, the same nouns have been repeated many times, making the sentences very long. We can avoid this repetition of nouns by using pronouns. I told you, राइट ये पूरा पैराग्राफ में जेसिकाज फादर आ गए, एक बार जेसिका एक बार आ गई, फिर अगेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट जेसिकाज फादर, then enters a pen, then again we are talking Jessica's father, pen. So instead of using the same nouns again and again, we can use pronouns. So underline the red box. Pronouns are the words that may take the place of the nouns, right? That can be used instead of nouns. In the above sentence, her and she, Jessica, him, and for father, and it, that is for use for pens, are pronouns. Her, she, him, and it are known as pronouns. Chaliye, now come to the first question or first exercise. Personal pronouns. Underline the nouns in this sentences that the pronouns in the bold is referred to. One has been done for you. While doing this exercise, अपनी note textbook खुली रखना so that you come to know which letter is bold. Right? In case अगर आपको ये ब्लर इमेज आती है तो. My name is Sarah. I am the class monitor. I. Then I is been used. This pronoun is used for the noun Sarah. Right? चलिए next one. Let us do Jenny. Please come here. I need you to help me. Now you, as you can see, is the bold letter. That is the pronoun. Now you is used for the word Jenny. Right? I have not seen Harry today. I spoke to him yesterday. Him. उसके साथ. तो we are talking about which noun? Harry. Clear? चलिए move to the next one. Then the next page. The police searched the thief's pockets. They were empty. They were empty. वो खाली थे. This pronoun is used for thieves' pockets, right? They are not used for the thief. They are used for the thieves' pockets. Fresh fruit is good for health. You should eat it every day. It. So here we are using it for the noun fresh fruit. Mary could not send a postcard to her grandma. She did not know the address. She, as you can see, she. Which pronoun? This pronoun is used for which noun? Yes, Mary. Isn't it good? Chaliye. The pronouns I, you, him, she, they, and it are personal pronouns. They are used in place of persons or things that you already know. We use these are known as personal pronouns, and we use that in place of nouns or persons or things, right? जैसे मैंने आपको समझाया I, you, him, she, they, and it. Now, come to this box. Personal pronouns can be the first person, second person, or third person. Children, this is a very important concept that you have learned, but I want you to focus it on it. Underline, take it and mark it as IMP. Right? Now, in English language, there are three kind of personal pronouns or three kind of persons that we have to understand. That is first person, second person, and third person. Alright? Now, what is first person? First person मतलब जो इंसान बोल रहा है. मैं आपको ये बहुत लेमन लैंग्वेज में दिखा रही हूँ. First person is the person who is speaking. Right now I am speaking. So I become the first person. Second person is the person जिसके साथ मैं बात कर रही हूँ. Suppose I am talking to you right now. Right? तो I become the first person. आप second person हो जाते हो. Means you. And I'm talking about, let's say, I'm talking about the third person. I went to Neha's home yesterday. So Neha becomes the third person. Right? Third person is he, she, it, they. These are known as third person. Right? एक लेमन लैंग्वेज में, एक सीधी लैंग्वेज में आप ये कंसेप्ट समझिए दैट फर्स्ट पर्सन मीन्स जो इंसान बोल रहा है. Right? We are going to market. So we. So मैं बोल रही हूँ. Clear? We is the pronoun. I am coming to Priya's home. So I becomes the first person. इसके साथ मैं बात कर रही हूँ. कैन यू कम विद मी? आर यू देयर? राइट. सो सेकेंड पर्सन इज जिसके साथ में बात कर रही हूँ, एंड थर्ड पर्सन इज जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Right? Suppose if we are talking about somebody else, then it becomes the third person, that is he, she, it, they, that. Clear? Chaliye. Now let us have a quick notes on this box. First person pronouns, my dear children, refer to the person who is speaking, जो बात कर रहा है. I like strawberries. Can you give some to me? We wanted to hear a story. Dad told us a story. Right? Here I and we means जो बोल रहा है, the person who is speaking. Second person pronouns refer to the person or persons we are speaking to, हम जिसके साथ बात कर रहे हैं. You must do whatever the teacher tells you to do. Right? That you become the second person. Third person pronouns refer to the person or the persons we are speaking about. As I told you कि जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. फर्स्ट पर्सन जो बोल रहा है, सेकेंड पर्सन जो सुन रहा है, राइट, और या जिसके साथ बात हो रही है. थर्ड पर्सन जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ही इज माई ब्रदर, आई लव हिम. शी सेड शी विल हेल्प मी, आई थैंक्ड हर. दे आर आवर पेरेंट्स, इट इज अ लेटर टू माई सिस्टर. राइट. Now, the pronouns that refer to any one person are singular pronouns, and the pronouns that refers to more than one person is plural pronoun. Right? You can underline this. Make this concept very clear in your mind. First person, जो person बोल रहा है. Second person, जो person के साथ बात हो रही है. राइट. थर्ड पर्सन, वो पर्सन जिसके बारे में वी आर टॉकिंग. क्लियर? चलिए. नाउ कंप्लीट दिस टेबल. आई you can see that I is in the first person, and I is always plural. I is used in subject or object. Subject, right? Now I want you to finish this table from this by yourselves. So tick it and mark it as HW. It would be easy because you already have this, and आपको ये समझ आ गया है फर्स्ट पर्सन सेकेंड पर्सन क्या है. Clear? So you have to finish this box that is in the homework for today. Now let us look at some of the pronouns we use for males, females or both. मेल के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? ही, हिम, आई, मी, यू, वी, दस, देम. फीमेल्स के लिए वी यूज शी, हर, आई, मी, यू, वी, अस, दे, देम. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए एज आई टोल्ड यू इट, दे, देन. एनिमल्स के लिए भी सेम, इट, दे, देम. क्लियर? नाउ दिस थर्ड एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो you will be doing in your homework, as it would be जैसे आप सेंटेंस पढ़ेंगे. The guests were welcomed warmly when dash arrived. Guests plural. क्या लिखेंगे? they, she, he, they. Right? It is easy. Don't worry, I'll be sending the answer key, but I guess आपको answers आ जाएंगे. The children shouted. Children. What did they shouted? I, us or we? We won. Right? Katie did not finish the soup because dash tasted bad. Non-living thing. Soup के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So it, right? The blue team won the prize. So the teachers congratulated dash. टीम को congratulate कर रहे हैं. किसको congratulate किया? टीम. तो टीम is made up of plural. So there we use them. It is in the object part. We already know what is subject and what is object, right? The first part of the sentence is known as subject and the later part is known as object. क्लियर? स्टार्टिंग में जिसके जो बात कर रहा है दैट इज सब्जेक्ट, एंड जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है दैट इज ऑब्जेक्ट. दैट वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट. हियर आपको एक बॉक्स में यहाँ पे लिखना भी होगा ऊपर, राइट? आई एम नॉट गोइंग, अगर आपको वो रिफर करना है लेट मी नो. आई विल हैव अनदर सेशन फॉर दिस सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, द शॉपकीपर आस्क्ड मम, कैन आई हेल्प डैश? कैन आई हेल्प you? Yes. Dad is going to Ravi school to watch dash play football. Watch, he नहीं आएगा, him आएगा, because in the object form it is, right? चलिए move to the next one. Oh, this would be your homework, but I'm just discussing it so that अगर आपको कहीं दिक्कत हो तो you can write it. Pick up the empty cups and throw dash in the dustbin. Throw, किसको throw करना है? This empty cups. So what you will do is it, them or they will use them because they are in the object portion. That's why. My sister is going to watch a play. Uncle Tim is going with dash. My sister, right? Him, she or her object form में है. That is why we will use her, right? Children, always remember that if the pronoun is used in the object side, then we should be using her, him, them, right? Chali. Now come to the fourth exercise. Filling the blanks with correct pronouns. John liked staying with his grandparents during the school holidays. On rainy days, Dash and his grandfather often went to the museum together. John we are talking about, and it is in the subjective form, so you will write, yes, he. On rainy days, he and his grandfather often went to the museum together. On each visit, Dash found, now we are talking about grandfather and he both, तो उन दोनों को मिला दे, plural हो तो we will use they. Yes. On each visit they found something new to look at. One time Dash was an ancient gold necklace. One time Dash was an ancient gold necklace. We'll use there. Why there? Because we are talking about the museum. You'll use there. The necklace belonged to the queen who lived 12,000 years ago. An artist had drawn a picture of Dash wearing it. We are talking about the queen, right? जो 2000 साल पहले जिंदा थी, उस क्वीन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So we'll write, instead of she we will write her, because in the it is in the objects form. Dash wonder if Dash really looked like that. Now this is in the inverted comma, so we have to assume that John is speaking. तो if John बोल रहा हो तो क्या बोल सकता है? I wonder if it really looked, if she really looked like that, right? After seeing this picture of the queen, he was wondering whether the queen really looked like that. Clear? Chaliye, let us have a quick recap. John liked staying with his grandparents during the school holidays. On rainy days, he and his grandfather often went to the museum together. On each visit, they found something new to look at. One time, there was an ancient gold necklace. The necklace belonged to a queen who lived 2,000 years ago. An artist had drawn a picture of her wearing it. I wonder if she really looks like that, said John to his grandfather. Clear? Now, this exercise we will be doing in the online classes because you have to work in pairs. You have to talk amongst each other in this exercise. Right? चलिए, उसके बाद एक नया पोर्शन जो शुरू होगा, that would be, as I told you, self pronoun या reflexive pronouns जिसे हम बोल सकते हैं. But this I would be doing in the next video, right? So आज recall कर लेते हैं what we did. We did or we knew pronouns, right? We learned pronouns, And from pronouns we came to know that there are three kind of persons that are used in English language: first person, second person and third person. First person means the person जिसके जो बात कर रहा है, second person जिसके साथ बात हो रही है, and third person is the person जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Right? And for that, this is the ideal important box. फर्स्ट पर्सन में क्या ज़रूरी है, सेकेंड में क्या ज़रूरी है, थर्ड में क्या ज़रूरी है. राइट? प्लीज़ गो थ्रू दिस बॉक्स एंड do this homework. Of course, I'm going to send you the answer key, but then too also I would be happy if you would try to do by yourselves. Clear? Chaliye. This is all for today. Till we meet next, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye. Don't forget to do the homework.